In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or hide PayPal and PayPal Express options from your Shopify checkout or cart. This process can vary depending on your Shopify plan, your theme, and the specific payment settings you've established. So, let's dive into it and explore a couple of methods to do this effectively. First, let's discuss the official method for deactivating PayPal completely as a payment method on your Shopify store. If you're looking to remove PayPal from the list of available payment options at checkout, here's how you can do it. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings section and then select Payments. Here, you'll find a section labeled Additional Payment Methods. Look for the PayPal entry within that list. Next to PayPal, you'll see an option to deactivate. Click on this, and PayPal will be removed from your checkout payment options. This doesn't mean your connection with PayPal is permanently severed. Your store email and account information are still intact, which means you can reactivate it later if needed. This method is straightforward and allows you to easily add or remove PayPal as you adapt your business needs. Now, what if you don't want to remove PayPal entirely, but just want to hide those dynamic Express checkout buttons? Those buttons that might appear on product pages, cart pages, or even at the top of the checkout process. This is a common scenario for many merchants who wish to streamline the checkout process or prefer to maintain a specific look and aesthetic for their online store. A good starting point is to disable the dynamic checkout buttons. Many Shopify themes offer a setting within the theme customization options, often labeled as Dynamic Checkout Buttons or Accelerated Checkout. You can find this under the Online Store section, then navigate to Themes and click on Customize. By toggling this setting off, you remove these Express buttons, such as PayPal Express, Apple Pay, and others from your site, but maintain them as an option later in the payment process. It's a simple yet effective way to control the presence of these buttons on your platform. However, given that Shopify has limited or removed the ability to do this easily via Liquid or CSS in some cases, there's an additional option you might consider. You can use a specialized app designed to hide these Express method buttons while keeping PayPal as a payment choice. A popular app that provides this functionality is Yagi Express Payment Hider. These apps use Shopify functions to specifically target and hide Express checkout buttons without impacting PayPal's availability as a payment option at the checkout stage. By following these methods, you can easily manage how and where PayPal options are presented to your customers, aligning with your store's specific needs and design preferences.